Welcome to Phonics Module 2. Today we will discuss consonants, short and long vowels, R-controlled vowels, Y and W as vowels, the schwa, and some phonics spelling patterns. This mini lecture was designed to help you learn fundamental skills in word recognition, including phonics and structural analysis. These skills are necessary for elementary school teachers to teach reading. As you review known skills or learn new skills, do the practice activities in each section to help you prepare for the phonics quizzes. In review, phonics is the study of the relationship between letters and speech sounds. Phonics produces a pronunciation of a word, not its meaning. The word must be in the reader's oral language to be understood. There are two types of sounds in the English language, consonants and vowels. There is, however, a degree of overlap between these categories. Certain letters, notably the Y and W, sometimes function as vowels and other times function as consonants. Consonants are, by definition, speech sounds in which the flow of breath is constricted or stopped by the tongue, teeth, lips, or some combination of these. In the American English language, there is not a consistent one-to-one correspondence between letter or phoneme. There are, for our purposes in the teaching of reading, 44 phonemes, 25 of these being consonant phonemes. These 25 consonant phonemes are represented by 21 consonant letters. Most single consonants make one regular sound. There are several exceptions. These exceptions are the hard and soft C and G, exceptions for S, miscellaneous exceptions, and consonant clusters. Let us consider the hard and soft C and G. The hard C sounds like K in cat. The hard G sounds like G as in goat. The generalization for hard C and G is: the consonants C and G represent their hard sounds when followed by the vowels A, O, and U. The soft C sounds like S as in scent. The soft G sounds like J as in germ. The soft generalization would be: the consonants C and G represent their soft sounds when followed by E, I, and Y. When C and G are followed by any other letter, or when they appear at the end of the word, the C and G represent their hard sounds. Let's practice hard and soft C and G. Question 1. Does this word have a soft or hard sound of C? The word cell has the soft C sound. Question 2. Which word has the soft sound of G? The answer is C, gem. The letter S has 4 different sounds. They are S as in see, sh as in sure, z as in has, and j as in treasure. There are no rules for generalizing when to apply the different sounds of S. These single consonant exceptions illustrate the precarious nature of the phonics structure of our language. Consonant exceptions practice. Question 1. Which word has an exception for consonant sounds? Answer: B. Fox. Question 2. Which word has an exception for the sound of S? Answer: A. Is and C. Sugar. There are 19 vowel phonemes. By definition, vowels are speech sounds with the flow of breath mostly unobstructed. The letters A, E, I, O, and U are always vowels. The letters Y and W sometimes function as vowels. There are 8 categories of vowel sounds. There are 4 spelling pattern generalizations for vowel sounds. The 8 categories of vowel sounds are short vowels, long vowels, vowel exception, Y as a vowel, schwa, W as a vowel, vowel digraphs, and diphthongs. The last 3 will be discussed in the next phonics module. Short vowels are sometimes called unglided vowels. They are represented at the beginning of these words: at, ed, in, ox, and up. When teaching vowel sounds, teach the short vowel sounds first. The breve is the diacritical mark used to indicate the pronunciation of the short vowels. Short vowels practice. Which words have the short vowel sounds? Rat has the short A sound and soft has the short O sound. Long vowels are referred to as glided vowels. In long vowel words, the name of the letter is heard as at the beginning of these words. Ate, eat, ice, open, and use. Long vowels are taught after short vowels. The macron is the diacritical mark used to indicate the specific pronunciations of the long vowels. Long vowel practice. Find 3 long vowel words. Answers: A, long O, B, long A, and E, long U. It might help you to actually say the word to hear the sound. Let's briefly cover 4 of the vowel exceptions. When only one vowel letter in a one-syllable word or syllable is followed by R, the vowel will be affected by that R. These are called R-controlled or murmur vowels. Examples are shown here. L-controlled vowels sound like ah. Examples are shown here. The letter O with LT or LD have the long O sound. Examples are bolt and cold. And I with GH, LD, and ND have the long I sound. Examples are listed here. There is an exception, however. Wind has the short I sound. Practice. Column 1. Find the R-controlled words. Column 2. Find the L-controlled words. Column 1. Hint: R follows the vowel to be considered R-controlled. Therefore, the answers are A, B, and C. Column 2. Hint: L follows the vowel to be considered L-control. Therefore, the answers are B and C. Remember, you can always pause this video lecture if you need more time. Sometimes Y acts as a vowel. It will have either the short I, or long E sound, or be part of a digraph or diphthong. The Y has a short I sound in closed syllables or words. Closed syllable is a syllable that ends in a consonant phoneme. Examples are gym, gyp, and cymbal. The Y has a long I in open syllables or words. An open syllable is a syllable that ends in a vowel phoneme. Examples are my, dynamic, and python. The Y has a long E when in the final position in a multisyllabic word. Y also acts as a vowel when parts of digraphs and diphthongs. Practice activity. What are the correct answers to these 2 questions? To determine sounds, I suggest pausing the video and actually saying the words aloud. Answer 1, D. Answer 2, B. The schwa is used to indicate the pronunciation of the vowel phoneme in many unaccented syllables. It is known as a softened or indeterminate sound which sounds like short U. It has a variety of spelling patterns. Some of the spellings are shown here. The schwa is indicated in diacritical markings as an upside-down E. Schwa practice. Which word does not have a schwa sound? Answer: C. It begins with a long A sound. There are spelling patterns for vowels. Short vowels are often in closed syllables. They are shown by the CVC, which means consonant vowel consonant pattern, with single consonants or clusters. Examples are shown here. Long vowels have 3 common patterns. Open syllables, CV, me, hotel. The final silent E pattern, CVCE, usually in one-syllable words: ate, make, rebate, stroke. Spelling patterns practice activity. Match the word to its spelling pattern. Shown are the matching of the word to its spelling pattern.